Hey, welcome back to my channel. So right now, just to start off this vlog, you just see me just organizing my work area. So I bought these bins and stuff from Walmart just to organize a lot of my products. I had a lot of stuff just everywhere, from the production stuff and the actual product themselves. So it was just hard to keep track of things and stay organized. So here you just see me setting up the bins and getting everything together, and then just like tidying up the space. So these smaller bins over here, I'm actually putting a lot of my paper product. So that's more so my transfers, my receipts, my invoices, and then my actual paper products like the copy paper, the shipping, labels, paper. And then I'm using the bottom half of this to organize my recording equipment and just like my cords and stuff. So just trying to find a place for everything mostly. And that's just basically what you see me doing right here. Hey, so I don't think I talked to the camera all day since earlier. Right now I'm about to basically just straighten up from all the mess that was made today and figure out, we kind of ate dinner but not really. Figure out if I'm gonna make anything. I'm about to figure out if I'm even gonna just make anything, just in case we get hungry later, but not nothing crazy. But I need to straighten up the kitchen first, so that's what I'm about to do now and figure out, my life. transitioning from breastfeeding to a bottle. It's really hard weaning him off. This is the first time he's breastfed since 1 p.m. and it's now 5 p.m. And I just been trying to distract him all day, and it's been really hard. I've been just trying to like go about my day like normal and pretend that my breasts aren't yearning for him to feed. So that's another thing too, is like it's not just him, it's me as well. So it's just so much easier to just do it. But I'm trying this gentle method and hopefully it works. Like I said, he did pretty good today, and I'm gonna try to not night feed tonight for the first time in a really long time. JB, stop. For the first time in a while, so hopefully that'll help as well, eliminating him like periodically just leaning over and like getting a few sips, you know, basically fighting to the death for the boob, and in the end you end up giving it to him anyway. So it's like really annoying. But like I said, because he did pretty good today without even like asking for it, he tried like maybe twice throughout the day, but for the most part he wasn't like fiending as much. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sweet cake and pie. It's so good to let it inside. Sweet cake and pie. Yay! Clap. So I am about to take it down for the day. I got a lot done. I woke up, had a good time today. Hopefully I can do it again tomorrow. So hopefully I can do it again. I'm having my iced tea with my Chuck E. Cheese straw. This is from my son's birthday party, and then I'm having it because I didn't cook. I didn't want to. I'm working Saturday, so yeah. So my hair is all over the place at this point. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this vlog is a little entertaining. I really try my best to get a lot of clips. Vlogging is really hard. Like, you gotta remember and you gotta feel like it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed spending the day with me and my baby. And have a great day. Make sure you subscribe because we'll be doing more vlogs. Like this video and comment below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day or night. Yeah, have a good evening. James told me you're supposed to eat noodles like this. But I can never eat noodles. Look, you just keep winding and winding. Like, who got time for that? You just get it over with and put it up there. Boom.